So ChatGPT referral jump that happened in May. So on May 7th, OpenAI made a quiet algorithmic change that now automatically linked brand mentions to their website's homepage directly within the ChatGPT response, which was great. So now when a user searches for specific recommendations for brands, they can now click through directly to the website. And that was not something that they did before this. So SimilarWeb tracked the result. ChatGPT referral traffic jumped approximately 157% week on week. So I don't know how much merit the zero-click argument has anymore, but this is the clearest example of why monitoring AI platforms actively really matters. The impact was real and measurable, but there was no official announcement from OpenAI. I've heard some whisperings from folks in the SEO community. I think it was Josh Bliscoe that said, this is probably a test to get click data for ad modeling. What's your take, Mike?
Well, I think there's two things that happen around the same time. So everything that Josh was saying is right, because Josh is awesome and he's typically right. But this was also around the time I believe that ChatGPT 5.4 rolled out, and they started doing site colon searches as a part of the query fan out. Yep. So, it serves both purposes. One, like you have more opportunity to be a part of the response as the brand, but now you also have an opportunity to get that click through as well. So, as we all know at this point, like the referral traffic from these channels is small. It's kind of a rounding error compared to what you're getting from classic organic, but it is better that they are, providing more visibility and more pathways for that traffic to happen. As far as it being, a test for ads, it's hard to say. I'm also not convinced yet that ads in this environment actually work. And I think it's more like a novelty that people are just trying to get on top of, because they're like, hey, okay, if there's ads here, cool, that's an easier way for us to get in there. But, I don't know that they yield anything to the level that we are used to with like Google ads.
No, not nearly as much control, and it's all contextual at the moment. I've heard personal responses from people saying that it's pretty garbage, but hey, OpenAI's got to make their money. So